Alright, so guys, the reports are in from the Bahamas right now. The storm looks to have destroyed the Bahamas. So if any of you guys are located there or have any friends or family there, I hope they're okay because it looks very serious. But the storm is finally starting to move on its way up to Orlando, so I'm kind of worried about tonight. But since it's moving, that means the hurricane is almost here, finally. Disney has announced they're closing the parks early because it's about to hit. So they close at 2 p.m. I'm gonna try and ride every single ride in the park in 4 hours.
There are currently so many people at DAC right now.
It looks like Spider-Man was part of the ride-out crew and he webbed up all the cones so they don't go flying.
Ma'am, I have a question. Why are we closing at 2 p.m. for Hurricane Dorito?
We need to prep and get the animals safe and yeah.
Divine is out. I'm sure that kid is so confused on what is going on. Why is there a tree talking and touching him? People always are like, oh, I can't go to the park. Nobody's with it. No, going to the park alone is the best thing ever. You can go to the bathroom whenever you want. Fast passes are so much easier to get. Oh, it's just like a stress-free environment going to the park alone.
There's a couple people here. Not too bad.
All right, so we're gonna try and work our way around the park. So we gotta start with visiting our boy, Dr. Seeker, first.
Oh, dinosaur. A very long 10-minute wait. Oh my gosh, it's just a walk-on.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
All right, ride 1 is down. Now it's time for Triceratops spin. It was literally just a walk-up.
R.I.P. Primeval World.
All right, time for ride number 3, Everest.
All right, you got a 15-minute wait.
You can't beat a day like today!
Cali River Rapids, 10-minute wait.
Now, I wouldn't say the parks are completely empty. There's still a decent amount of people. It almost feels like Disneyland level crowds where you just, you know, you wait a little bit and you get on a ride. This is straight up bizarre. I have never seen it this empty.
I literally have an entire raft to myself. What is this?
Well, since it's just, you know, us together on this raft. Story time with Kevin. So there was one time back in elementary school. Yeah, you know when your parents would give you lunch money? I think it was like 1st or 2nd grade, but I forgot my lunch money and I started crying in the middle of class because I thought I was gonna starve to death. Oh shit. Was it Halloween Horror Nights I hear? The big drop. Oh. It's almost like an eerie feeling just being on a ride, completely alone. We're not even an hour in, and I have 3 rides left to complete. Safari's is gonna take like 25 minutes, so that's gonna take up the most amount of time.
There we go, 15-minute wait. The pure walk-on.
All right, we have now just passed over the hour mark. I learned a lot of cool facts with that guy. The one I didn't know is that giraffes only sleep 30 minutes a day. They take like couple minute long micro naps.
They are really working hard on the Animal Kingdom Club 33.
All right, we are on our way into Pandora right now. The wind is starting to pick up.
All right, Navi River Journey, 20-minute wait.
They need Chris. The shaman needs to take a break and let Chris hop on stage for a hot second.
The last ride of the day, 55 minutes.
So we made it on to all the rides in under 2 hours. That is mind-blowing.
We are almost there.
Well, it ended up being like a 30-minute wait. I can't really film, so I'm gonna tell you the flip-flop story instead. This is what I bought. You ready?
They're flip-flops that glow when you walk.
Well, in the daily struggles of Kevin, my flip-flop has broken, so now your boy, it will be walking like this. Why, world?
Kevin, just go to Cost Connections, they're $10. You'll get new ones, go.
There they are. You ready? You ready? They light up, baby.
I will now be able to see when the hurricane hits. Now it's time to go back to the video. Good job, Joe. I still can't believe we made it on every single ride in under 2 hours.
Hey, Bridget, before I go in, tell me when the magnet's coming back. The Lion King
Never.
Simba magnet. We all need it.
A wait list now.
A wait list?
To possibly have it
serious?
shipped to you. Yes.
Oh Lord.
If we have supplies, we might get it to you.
Okay, so guys, we are currently home because the parks have closed, but the hurricane should be coming soon. So let's check the news and see what they have to say.
This is Jerry Hancock reporting from I4 News. We're still waiting on the hurricane. It'll be here eventually, I guess. You can see It's raining a little bit, and the wind's picking up some. The grass is moving, but we'll keep you updated here on I4 News. And we're here with local resident Mabel. What is your hurricane experience been?
Well, I tried to run, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true, I saw the whole thing.
It's now 11 o'clock, and the curfew's gone into effect here in Orlando. And it's you can see that the streets are just empty right now. There's no one really out. It's really for the best. Yeah, hide your kids and your wives and your Kermits too. Just stay inside, stay safe, everyone.
You look like a demon and she's shooting holy water on you.
I can't see with that light.
That was it?
Look at Patrick working very hard right there.